Please. '15 scheduled for the light 160s this evening. Clone 320B feature. If you're not staged and ready when we get ready to roll, because I'm going to tell you what, these kids are going to go green, white, checkered. I got a feeling about it. Lights will be shutting off this next time by. You need to be staged, strapped in, and ready. Clone 320B feature. Rant Anderson. This ought to be a good shootout. As they come down, they get the green flag underway. Rant and Anderson. Anderson's been on a roll in this class so far this evening. Levi Rant, still your leader. Anderson riding in that number 2 position. And Levi Rant now really stretching out the ground. Anderson's good streak might be coming to an end in feature time. Levi, it doesn't matter which one of these quarter midgets he's behind the wheel, he's got her dialed in and not letting off the gas one bit. They're getting close to the halfway point. Levi Rant out of Wisconsin. Moving up the lane just about a quarter of an inch, it seems like. He's trying to find a little bit of extra moisture out there. We're heading to lap number 10 of 15, and it's Rant with almost a straightaway lead over Anderson's Flying Deuce. Down the front stretch, Rant still in control. Anderson a solid second. 11 down, getting ready to go into 12 as he comes roaring down the front straightaway. Put it on cruise control. No way, Jose. Levi Rant will be looking at the white flag this time with only one more lap to go. Out of 4, checkers in the air. Rant taking away his second feature win of the evening. Tell you what, looking good here this evening in our Lowe Boats I-44 Winter Nationals. Ladies and gentlemen, how about it? Give him a round of applause. Levi Rant, your feature winner in the 160 division.